back to Tuesday Tips. I'm Mark Fidgett with your #1 source for real mortgage advice. Today I want to talk about an investment property. Now, as you probably know, last year there were some changes made in terms of high ratio mortgage insurance and investment properties. You used to be able to buy an investment property with as little as 5% down. Well, about a year ago they changed it and they increased the down payment to 20%. So that's pretty significant. That's an extra 15% down. Well, I want to tell you about my client that just bought a second property with, guess what? Only 5% down. Now you might ask, well, how can you do that? Because an investment property requires 20% down. How did your client just buy a second property with only 5% down? Well, here's the kicker. CMHC will still insure a second property with as little as 5% down. Now, that second property could be a property that you use part of the year, or maybe your son or daughter may want to live in it. Now, this is a property that can be located anywhere throughout Canada. But the catch is only 5% down. So my thought process is, whenever I buy real estate, I consider it to be an investment. So if I'm going to buy a property, say in Calgary, because maybe my daughter's going to go to university in Calgary, or maybe Victoria, where my daughter's going to university anyway, I consider that to be an investment. But I'm going to buy it with 5% down, but you can only buy investment properties with 20% down. So the real thing here is, what's your definition of an investment property? If it's a property where it's going to have 3 units, maybe it's a duplex, got up and down both sides, and you're going to rent it out, that doesn't qualify under this program. But if it's a single home and it's located anywhere throughout Canada, well, guess what? You can buy it with as little as 5% down. But having said that, you still have to qualify along the same lines in terms of TDS and GDS. And obviously you can't be using rental income because it's not an investment property. So for any questions, anytime, remember 604-273-2002 on the web, www.notapennydown.com. As usual, make it a great day.